Hello all, welcome to Impact Hackathon brought to you by SFDC Amplified. My name is Sakshi Sharma and today I am going to discuss about the empowering education globally by creating a super useful learning platform with the help of Salesforce OmniStudio. Now, let's discuss what exactly we are going to build up here. So, once again, welcome to this adventurous journey with me. Here, we are going to discuss about the utilization of Salesforce Omni Studio to make an awesome global education empowerment platform. And don't worry if you are newbie to Salesforce, I'm here to explain you everything in a very simple term. And by the end of this video, you will not only get to know how exactly Salesforce works, but you will be very excited to learn about the Omni Studio for good things like no code and low code. So here we are going to discuss about the features of Salesforce which we are going to utilize in building our application, which are custom object, Salesforce flows for some of our automation inside the application. Apart from that, we are going to use the important features of Omni Studio, which are flex cards, data raptors, Omni scripts, and apart from that, field level security, which has been used in our application. Apart from that, we are going to use configuring and customizing community pages. Community is also known as Experience Cloud inside the Salesforce as of now. So let's get started with the design architecture of this application. Here, I'm not only going to discuss about the functional side, but I'm also going to discuss about the technical approach which will help you to build this application. So let's get started with the user-centric architecture first. As users engage with our platform, they see a personalized space meticulously designed for comprehensive learning and connection. This includes features like enrolling in courses and engaging with mentors. In terms of technical aspect, to implement this, we establish a custom object, suppose a user, but as of now in Salesforce, user is the standard object which is already available. What are objects? If I'm talking about objects, what are objects? Objects are essentially database tables that allow us to store and organize information specific to our application. In this case, user object act as a digital repository for user related data such as course enrollment, skills, mentorship, engagements. To build this, what we need to do, go to the Salesforce setup, go to the object manager, create a new custom object and add the relevant fields like courses, skills and mentorship. Now let's move to the automated flows. Discuss first we are discussing about the functional approach. So automation basically lies at the core of the seamless experience. Flows are designed to automate various tasks such as enrollment, skills, showcasing, mentorship, engagements, ensuring a smooth and efficient journey for our user. In terms of technical perspective, to achieve this, we leverage Salesforce flows. Flows are like automated processes that guide user through a series of screens and actions and rules. They integrate seamlessly with our data model and can also be utilized by Apex classes. Means we can utilize Apex classes inside the flows. So if I have mentioned Apex, so what is Apex? Apex in Salesforce is a programming language and classes are the building block that contain our custom code for more complex functionalities. So for this, create an auto launch flow, design it to facilitate uh, course enrollment, skill showcasing, mentorship engagements, and integrate it with the Apex classes if you want to have a more advanced and complex automations. Now, for visual process progress tracking, functionally, if we talk to enhance the learning experience, our platform introduces dynamic interface that allow user to visually track their progress. This visual representation adds an engaging layer to the overall educational journey. For technical approach, we can implement it through the OmniStudio by using the Flex card. So these dynamic interfaces are essentially customizable cards that display information in a visually appealing way. We can also use the Lightning Web component to create these visual cards, which are basically the web standard based components. So for this, we will utilize the Omni Studio, use the Flex card and add the design interactive card displaying course progress and skills and mentorship engagements. Moving ahead with the integration with external service data raptor, functionally, we aim to offer a holistic learning experience by seamlessly integrating with external services. This ensures our user have access to a wealth of additional learning resources beyond our platform. In terms of technical aspects, to facilitate this integration, we employ data raptors in Omni Studio. So basically, data raptors are the tools that allow us to define the logic for integrating and transforming data between different services. This ensures a smooth exchange of data between our platform and external educational services, creating a comprehensive learning environment. So for this, configure the data raptor to define the integration logic and ensure a seamless data exchange between our platform and external services. Next, for data security and compliance, uh, functionally we talk about user data security is our top priority. We all know that. We implement strict access control and encryption measures to comply with privacy standard, which can bring trust and confidence among our users. So for this technical approach, we will be using field level security within the Salesforce. This feature allows us to control the access to the specific field in our custom objects that will ensure that only authorized users can view, edit, delete sensitive information. We can also use Apex code for to enforce the encryption for the critical fields if we want to add an extra layer of protection to the user data. And that is going to be a different complex process here. Community collaboration. Functionally, beyond just a platform, we are building a collaborative digital space where user can connect, share their insights, and learn together. This can be achieved through Salesforce community. So technically what we need to do, we will be building this digital haven using the Salesforce community or community builder, which is also known as the say experience builder. Experience builder is a tool that allow us to create and customize Salesforce pages and integration of reports and dashboards, or enriches the collaborative experience within the space. Forge community within the community builder infuses the life into the user data component, and the mentorships and optimize the community pages also for seamless mobile interactions if we are going to have any. Next, for continuous improvement, functionally we talk about a platform is basically designed to evolve continuously and driven by the user feedback and changing the educational needs. This will ensure our platform remain relevant and effective in addressing real world challenges. For technical implementation, to achieve this continuously, to achieve this continuous improvement, we can leverage the agility of Omni Studio. So for that, the platform allows us to quickly iterate based upon the user feedback. So this iterative process is facilitated through Omni scripts, which are low code. Which are low code components basically. So we can leverage the Omni scripts here, and through this we will iterate on the app based on the user insights and challenging educational needs, and we can leverage Omni Studio's agility for iterative improvements and enhancements. So You are just a one step away from making an exceptional impact over the society. Come forward and become a part of Salesforce Impact Hackathon 2023, which is going to get started from 17th of December to 24th of December. Come forward and register now. You will also get a chance to win some exciting prizes and swags which is mentioned here. So, happy learning, grow together, learn together. Thank you so much.